Let's talk about why you should be using start page ads and login ads in your email list building strategy. Every time you log into a safelist, a traffic exchange, or membership site of any kind, the very first thing you see is an advertisement. These ads are known as start page or login ads. Safelists and traffic exchanges are exactly where your target audiences are already hanging out. And because tens of thousands of other affiliate marketers are literally logging into these sites every single second of every single minute of every hour, every single day, your start page login ads can be the first ad they see. The new 2025 start page login ads advertising Rolodex is now live. And it's not only a one-stop shop for many of the absolute best safelist and traffic exchanges for placing your start page and login ads. Each week we add a brand new innovative list building advertising technique, tactic, strategy, tool, resource, or system that continues to aid and assists in your ad traffic, lead generation, and list building endeavors. To get instant access to your free start page login ads Rolodex and unlock all of the bonus advertising traffic and list building resources, click the link below. See you inside.